Hey guys, it's Drew, and we're just taking a look at some of the changes on the Google Classroom. This is an example of the old Google Classrooms where it had stream, people, and then it had an about. If you're trying to find old stuff from an old class, notice on the right-hand side they just placed a little tab, and then you can still access all the stuff that you may have placed there. So that's how you get access to that. I've had a few people ask me about that. So it has changed quite a bit. They now have a stream section where everything just shows up. Any comments, anything you post will show up here. Honestly, I don't use this at all with my class. Everything is in the classwork section, which is new this year with that title. And one of the coolest things that they added in the create section, so anything you're going to add, you'll hit create. They added the material as a new option. And they also added topics, and the kids have really responded well to this, where in green here is my topic, and this way they're able to find exactly what it is that they need. So this is a great way to put your units. Maybe social studies is doing geography, and you just have geography as the title, and you can kind of build out that section. And you can break up your class into those topics, and it's easier for the parents as well. You'll also notice the icons that are to the left. It lets them know what it is. So this question mark is obviously it's a question. The notepad with writing tells them it's an assignment, and down here at the bottom, any of these with the upper left hand corner is just material. You can set up a section that just says class materials, but what I'm going to be doing is just adding the materials to each unit. So maybe like my rubrics will look different next rotation. Where are my rubrics? Because this was rolled out late, they are under assignments, but next rotation each one will have the icon of the material, so that is new as well. Other things to be aware of: the setting gear. If I click this, it gives me access to like my class code. Here the default is students can post and comment. I'm not a fan of that. I like to put students can only comment. It tends to be the kids you really don't want to comment are the ones who do, and it's usually not related to anything. So that's just one of the other changes. A lot of this is self-explanatory. You do have the people section where you can access the students. So if a kid moves away and you want to delete them from the class, it does have most of the parent contacts, but you'll notice there's a handful that it didn't pick up. I send a video out to parents and show them how to access their students account. I believe that's the easiest way, and then they can always access them that way. So if you have any other questions, you can see me. Happy to help, but hopefully these updates make it a little bit more clear for you. Good luck.